to build Astrotrain.
So this is a mini transformer made out of Lego. And Aaron's going to show you how to build it and then how to transform it.
These are all the pieces you'll need, even a boomerang piece. And it's an actual boomerang. I don't really know why there's a boomerang piece, but I guess you'll need it. So, let's go. Let's build. First, we're going to need one of the pieces. So, and then you get one of those grubby pieces. Put it on there. And it looks like that. Then you get another one of those grubby pieces. Put it on the other side. Then you get...
Can you show us what that looks like now? Aaron, can you show us what that looks like? Because it's a bit hard to see. Can you show us what the pieces that you've already put together look like? Great. Okay, and then I call that the frying pan piece. Where does the frying pan piece... Oh, is that the camera?
That's the camera!
Can you put it back up?
There it goes.
Oh, there's a head in the shot now. We don't need the head though, do we?
So as I was saying, we need the gun piece.
Oh, you call it... Right, that's the gun piece. I call it a frying pan. Okay, and that goes under one of those. Grabby pieces. Cool. Great.
Then you need the boomerang piece.
Okay.
Then you put it under that piece.
Okay.
Hang on, guys, sorry. Need to just put that in the right place. There we go. And now we place that piece down. And we get started on working on the other piece. First off, we'll need we'll need one of these pieces. And then you put...
Can you show us that? You put that on the... What does that piece look like? Oh, okay, yeah.
So I need to get another one of those pieces. Put there. Then
show us that now, because we can't see that, Aaron. Up a bit. Okay. So that goes on the end there. Yeah.
And then you need another one of those grubby pieces and put it on that piece. It looks like that.
Yeah.
Then you get the other grubby piece and put it on the other side. Then you get one of these down pieces. Then you put it on.
I call those bits of cheese because they look like bits of cheese to me. Okay, just hold that in front of the camera for us so we can see that nice and still. So we can see all of the bits. Down a bit.
And then you need the last two stud piece.
And that goes there. Okay.
And
then I guess you put the two together. Can you hold your hands down near the table a bit more, Aaron, because it's a bit hard to see. That's it.
You need to put it on there.
Okay. Cool.
Then you just turn that piece around. Then you've got its head.
Let's have a look at that.
There's the build.
Oh yeah, so
There's the build.
What form is that in?
It's in robot form.
Okay, can you just hold it down in front of the camera for a little bit longer so that if people need to have a good look, they can have a good look. All right, so that's in robot form. Perfect. Okay, so that's robot form. Cool.
And then you need then
show
you just
us
put the
the
head.
transformation. Yeah, show us it bit by bit. Make sure that it's on the screen.
Then it to look like that when it's in train mode.
Oh,
Then
so that's the
spaceship mode.
Astrotrain. That's the Astrotrain, and then you're going to change it and show us a different mode, aren't you?
Just take that like leg piece and put them to the side, and then that bit like that. Boom!
And then that's spaceship mode, right?
Yeah.
Amazing. Thanks for showing us how to do that. And hopefully we're going to be making some more videos, aren't we?
Yep.
So subscribe to the channel so you can see more awesome mini Transformers.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Shall I stop recording now?
Stop recording.